uh, what we have is this is a company name, Lens IoT Technology, and they are looking for VAPT candidate who are experienced in code review and source code. So they want someone who can review the code of whatever client they are having, the website or whatever things their secure development team is coding. Okay, and in VAPT you need to work as a code reviewer as well, which need a knowledge of languages, multiple languages which are being used in this web development. So this is for the people those who have little bit of experience, okay, of secure coding. So and if you want to apply, you can just drop a resume on goda@lens lawtechnologies.com. So they are looking for someone those who can join on immediate basis. Okay, and this is a Bangalore based job, so you can apply accordingly. The next opening is this, they are looking for subject matter expert. It's information security and data privacy. So they want someone who is good in information security and data privacy. This is the location where you need to work. Uh, and if you have all this knowledge of ISO, HIPAA, GDPR, CCPA, and you can join the compliance team, then you can apply for this job role. This is what you need to do. Okay, you need to do implement some ISO stuffs, SOC 1, SOC 2 things, HIPAA. So it's all about compliance and government's jobs. If you are interested in this kind of job, which might engage you in a lot of study, a lot more things, so you can apply for this job role. What they are looking for, you should have minimum 4 to 5 years of experience along with the knowledge of ISOs, associate GDPR, CCPA, and certificate like CISSP, CISA, and CISM is important. Without that, I think you should not apply. And you should have good knowledge of NIST, COVID, and cloud security. Like NIST is very much important if you're not willing to apply for this job role. Then I recommend you to check out uh, what is NIST. This is very much important. And there is something which is called DPDP Act, right, which is recently introduced. This is also important. Okay, so just check out. And if you feel you're fit for this job role, then just drop your resume on this mail ID along with the subject line should be subject matter expert information security and data privacy. Okay, this is what you can apply for, right? This is not okay. So this is what now let's move to the next job that we have. So this was a security consultant who should have good experience in VAPT. Okay, that was good. Anyways, so this is in Mumbai. Okay, on-site job is there. If you are have good experience in VAPT, then you can apply. The key responsibility that they are going to assign you will be you have to conduct VAPT on the web API network and the systems, whatever they are having of their client or whatever they are going to recommend you. And this is exactly a VAPT job. You should have good knowledge and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. If you have internship experience, then still you can apply for this job role because that will consider as experience. And you should have good knowledge of API, web network security, and you should have good communication skills because sometimes you may have to deal with the client as well. As per I understand, according to this job. So if you feel you are fit, just drop a mail on sonali.lokhande@infosalessystem.com and just go if you have relevant experience. Okay, and subject line should be VAPT. And I just recommend you to don't interrupt someone those who are into the same domain. If companies hiring, don't spam their inbox if you don't have sufficient knowledge. If you are have good knowledge, then you are good too. Now the next opening is actually as a Linux administrator, which is L2, which is a mid-level opening. So it's in Mumbai. Budget is they are going to pay you approx up to 6.5 LPA. Okay, lakh per annum. This might be a CTC. Okay. They are looking for someone those who can join on immediate basis. So if you're looking for a job for within a next week, then you can join. You should have short notice period. Yeah, like if you're leaving any period, if you're working somewhere, if you want to leave, then you should have max to max of I guess 1 week notice period because they wants to hire you within a week. Okay, and what they're looking for is the L2 position. You should have good Linux knowledge and Linux administration actually. This is what and troubleshooting knowledge is important. So this email ID gauri.rajput global dot entity is where you have to drop your resume if you want to apply for this job role, like, and this is urgent requirement, so just apply accordingly. Next is cybersecurity engineer, right? This is in Arab. Okay, this is in Saudi Arabia. Guys, right now there's a lot of openings in Dubai and Middle East and sort of Saudi Arabia countries. So it's in Riyadh actually. It's a, I guess it's a state in Saudi Arabia. So you can apply actually. This is good, and they're going to pay up. They want actually someone those who should have minimum 4 to 7 years of experience. Okay, with this you should have to be expertise in IAM, PAM, NSE, DLP, data classification, and MDM. Office 360 security center knowledge is important, and both can apply, but you should have uh, good knowledge of how to speak in Saudi Arabia language. There might be some language I don't know. Okay, so if you're willing to move outside, okay, and if you're comfortable in speaking Arabic language, you can join. And I recommend there's a lot of opening in India itself, so just go ahead with the Indian jobs only. Why to move somewhere else? But there is good pay scale as far you know. So this is a mail ID gmossa@proven-sa.com, and yeah, just drop your CV accordingly. You'll get a response. Now, next opening is again in Dubai. They're looking for cybersecurity specialist plus senior cybersecurity specialist as well. This might be a L1 position, and this one might be a L3, right? So location in Dubai, minimum 1 years. You need to work like I guess this is a contract job where you need to sign a contract of 1 year. Salary will be approx 19,000 to 23,000 American dollar, whatever currency they are using. So this is something what they are going to pay, and you need to serve to the government sector, right? Saudi Arabia government. There might be they are having companies dynamic VN dot VN, so they might be having government clients, so you need to serve there. Notice period should be minimum of maximum of 2 week. Okay, so if you're working somewhere, then you should have maximum of 2 week notice period. UAE candidate is preferable. Okay, and if you're outside again, Arabia language is important. CISSP certification is mandatory. Oh my God, it's required 13 plus years of experience. So that's huge actually. And 10 plus years in cybersecurity threat incident management. Okay, so you say have good if you have good knowledge in all those domain and have a very good experience, then only you can apply, right? I already share a couple of job links which is for the freshers, so you can just go a little bit backside and then you can check it out as well. Anyways, so those who want to apply for this job role, just drop your resume on this mail ID, and this is something which is good, right? Anyways, I guess that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for everyone for joining this session. Have a great day. Okay.